Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review this winter dry skin routine set. This is a sponsored video by YesStyle and there are 5 items in this set. It includes a gel cleanser, a fig scrub mask, face oil, Dynasty cream, and Propolis ampoule. This is the B.LAB's Cica Barrier 5.5 Gel Cleanser. According to the packaging, this is a slightly acidic cleanser and which is similar to the pH level of a healthy skin. So which means it can be safely used by those people with dry and sensitive skin. This product claims to help the skin retain moisture after cleansing. And it also calms the skin and keeps the skin texture healthy. The key ingredients are Cica extract and panthenol. It is suitable for people who have skin barrier damage, sensitive skin, and a lot of redness. To use this product, you can take an appropriate amount, lather, and wash your face. Then you should wash this with lukewarm water and cleanse until there is no residue coming out. Before using this gel cleanser, I rinsed my face first and then took out some of the product and lathered it on my hand by rubbing my hands together. After that, I applied it on my face. Then I massaged my face for a while and then I rinsed it off with lukewarm water. This gel cleanser worked really well. After rinsing with water, my face did not feel dry at all. I could still feel some moisture on my skin, and which showed that this is a really good cleanser for winter, especially if your skin gets very dry in winter just like me. The next product is Fig Scrub Mask by I'm From. According to the packaging, this product contains figs grown up in a warm area called Yeonggam in Korea. This product contains mixture of fig fruit powder and brown sugar, which removes dead skin and impurities on your skin. You can apply this mask on a clean face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before you massage and wash it off with water. This scrub mask comes with a spatula, which you can use to take out the product. There is also another lid which can stop the product in case we're moving the bottle. This product has a little bit of scent. I think the scent is mostly from the brown sugar. You can also feel the brown sugar particles in this product. So I'll be applying this scrub mask using the spatula. You can also choose to use your fingers for this. And then I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can gently massage your face using your fingertips. This motion can help to remove the dead skin and impurities on your skin. And also, it will make it easier for the mask to be washed off later. After massaging, then you can rinse it off with water. When it comes in contact with water, it forms a white lather. I really liked using this mask because after rinsing off, my skin felt very fresh. And after removing the dead skins and impurities, my skin looked brighter. Also, it made my skin feel very soft, so I couldn't stop touching my cheeks. The next product is called Royal Vita Propolis 33 Ampoule, and it's from Dr. Ceuracle. So this is a multitasking ampoule formulated with antioxidant-rich propolis extract. And this product claims to revitalize and nourish dull complexion. To use this product, we can apply a few drops onto skin and gently pat in for better absorption. We can use this product in our serum step or ampoule step of our skincare routine. The packaging of this product is very interesting, and when you open it up, you'll find a bottle with a dropper. So this product is 15 milliliters, and I believe there's a bigger size for this Propolis ampoule. So this Propolis is watery and the skin can absorb it very fast. I like to apply this product directly onto my face, but you can choose to transfer it to your hand first and then apply it to your face. The skin can absorb this product really quickly, and among the winter dry skincare set, I like this product the most because it did help to brighten up my complexion, and also it does feel quite hydrating as well. This is called the Dynasty cream from Beauty of Joseon. This product is packed really well. There is another small box inside holding the container so that the product will not move around a lot. There is also a small spatula inside the packaging. There is another lid inside the container which can stop the product from moving around a lot, especially when it is being transported. So this cream has gel consistency and it is quite thick. So a small amount will be enough for the entire face. You can use this small spatula to take out the product and transfer it to your hand. In this way, you will not contaminate the product inside the container. So it is more hygienic and it is easier to clean the spatula. I applied this cream after cleansing my face and applying the ampoule. This product does not have any fragrance. As the product is quite thick, it is better to use a small amount. Otherwise, it does take a longer time for the skin to absorb all this product. To help with absorption, you can also pat gently on your face. This has gel consistency and can feel a little bit sticky on your face after application. Overall, this is a very hydrating cream. This is Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Face Oil from Rovectin. This product claims to contain rich complex of nourishing, balancing and stimulating botanical extract which can revitalize your skin to optimum conditions with beneficial nutrients. You can apply this product to your face, neck and any dry area, and you can apply it as often as necessary. You can use it in the morning and or at night. The bottles are packed really well to prevent any leakage of the product. So this product also comes with a dropper. The oil has a thick consistency and it does take some time for absorption. Also, this product does not have any scent. I normally use this product at the last step of my skincare routine. I normally like to use the dropper directly on my face and then blend it with my fingers. But as mentioned before, you can also drop it on your hands first and then apply it to your face. As the gel cream is quite sticky, applying this oil can help to reduce the stickiness and make your skin feel smoother. I have used this product in spring before, but I think it is much more suitable for winter. So these are the winter dry skin routine set, and all of these products work really well and they're great for winter. You can find all these products in YesStyle and also in the description down below. And remember to use my rewards code for discount. That's all for the skincare routine review. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.